Okay, so hi, I'm Cuddling Coconut. Cute Coconut.
Creepy Coconut.
We're doing some unboxing, so
Yes.
we're going to be opening this first. So.
And I am just the right age. Just the right age for this game.
Scissors.
Going to need the emergency scissors.
Cute Coconut.
Yeah.
Do you think you need some help? I don't know. Okay, so this is gonna take a while. There.
We tried hard to, but.
Ooh, what's this?
What's inside here?
The card, probably. Don't open it. So there's some cards. This thing?
Instructions.
And there's this thing open, but there's nothing in there.
You don't need that. I want to kick it. I'm going to circle it.
And there's I'm gonna read the instructions later, okay?
Okay.
So right now we've unboxed this.
Now, Cuddling Coconut. Or shall I, Cuddling Coconut?
I'll start it off.
Okay. So Cuddling Coconut's going to start opening this. He's going to start it off. It's a Lost Kitty.
This is a Lost Kitty, so this is just all the Lost Kitties you can find. I'm not gonna go through that. Okay, so this one I haven't ever gotten a pink one.
My
The
favorite
pink
color.
Play-Doh.
Look at my t-shirt.
So all the accessories here are in the Play-Doh.
My turn.
Cute Coconut, can you take the peel off?
Look at this.
Creepy Coconut, do you want to search my door?
No.
I'll take a look at this.
It's basically Play-Doh. Yeah. What did you find? Have you found the kitty?
Yes, I think it's the kitty.
Oh, this is Play-Doh. I'm going to play this. This is entertaining. I'm going to play this here the whole way in the video.
So, I'll tell you the options. There's Jimmy, Tights, Smock,
That's helping you do.
Mick, Meow, and that's all the ones with pink. No, it isn't. There's Victor and Nealon as well.
Yes, there is.
Yeah, I said Jimmy.
Okay.
Do you want some more?
Okay,
you want some?
Can you hand me the accessories that you find and stuff?
I think I found them, except they're in a bag. We don't usually have them in a bag, guys.
Sure.
No, the little flat bag that has like the sticker and stuff in it. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
You've got a blue bag.
See, this is pink Play-Doh. It's
Yeah,
very
I actually
red.
think
I'll
there's
show
a
you.
inside the bag.
Like the most common is white, and brown is a bit less common. It's a bit less common than white, but it's not.
Oh no, everything's underneath.
That's it. I don't think you can see it too well, but there it is. This goes. Who do you find inside? That's what it says right there.
Here's our cat.
Oh, I know. I think I saw that one.
He's inside a box.
This one's Victor.
He's inside the box.
Victor. He stands up like this.
Victor the flying cat inside a box.
Meow. Okay, so that's really cool.
He's inside a box, and I don't know what this is. Is this like tape or something? I think this is tape.
Yeah, it's tape.
What else is on here?
Hey, here's the packet.
With stick. I don't know what to put down.
Hey, look, it's a calculator.
Yeah.
A calculator? A pink calculator. It's a pink calculator.
Like, I know.
Okay, well that's pretty cool. We've got a tape dispenser. Where did that go? Hello, cat. Is that everything? Oh, we can't forget the sticker.
What does it say? Buzz in Blight. Buzz in Blight. That's real cool.
Kind of like.
We're gonna have to make a second bit based on that.
So we have to go for now.
And it's done.
Cut the